Hello my dear students, welcome back again in our mathematics class. Today our topic is from the same chapter, long and short, word problem. Today's word problem based on addition and subtraction mainly. So already we have learned lot of things of long and short like conversion, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now we are going to learn about word problem of long and short, addition and subtraction. Start our first question. Here I have solved few questions and I have given you a few questions in the last as practice time. So you have to answer me in the comment section of that questions. So before solving the question, you need to know what are the steps you have to follow. That steps are, first of all, you need to read the question very carefully. So let's read the question first. So, Mr. Gupta traveled 75 km 800 meter by car and 1800 km 40 meter by air. What distance did he travel in all? So, Mr. Gupta traveled few distance by car and few distance by air. So what distance did he travel in all? So I think you have recognized the keyword used here. What is the keyword used here? The keyword is in all. In all represents addition. So we have to do addition. So our question's operation is related to addition, means it's a addition word problem. So let's start answering. You have to answer it. Before answering, you need to know that you have to write the statement properly. And if you read the question properly, then you can write the statement properly. So let's start our answer. Distance covered by car equals to 75 km 800 meter. Distance covered by air equals to 1800 km 40 meter. One thing is there. Whenever you are writing the numbers, be careful about the columns. You have to write first the units. You have to arrange it in proper column. You have to place the numbers in proper column. If there is any unmentioned unit, that time you have to put there 0. Okay, so there is two different units are involved, that is kilometer and meter. So we have to place the numbers in proper place. Then we have to add it. So after adding, I have got 1875 kilometer 840 meter. So therefore he traveled 1875 km 840 meter in all. Let us start our second question. It is very easy. See, Rini took part in 100 meter flat race. She fell down after running 85 meter 20 centimeter. What distance was left? What distance was left? Rini took part in 100 meter flat race. She fell down after running 85 meter 20 centimeter. She fell down after running 85 meter 20 centimeter. What distance was left? Left to complete the flat race actually. So from the keyword left, you can easily understand that we have to use here subtraction. We have to do subtraction. It's a subtraction word problem. So let us start answering by writing the statement. So total distance of the flat race is 100 meter. And as you know that I have already told you that first of all, whenever you read the question, that time you have to know that how many units are involved. Here also centimeter is also involved, so we can make a column of centimeter also. That's why I have written 100 meter 00 centimeter, as there is no number in centimeters, so I have to put 0 in centimeters place. Next, she covered by running 85 meter 20 centimeter. She covered by running 85 meter 20 centimeter. Now the distance left. How much distance left? So now we have to subtract. Then after subtraction I have got 14 meter 80 centimeter. 14 meter 80 centimeter. Therefore 40 meter 80 centimeter distance was left. It is very simple. So those who have any problem in writing the statement, they can read the question properly. If you read the question properly, you can overcome this problem. Now let us start our third question. Our third question is, a cloth merchant bought 25 meter 45 centimeter of silk from one shop, 36 meter 75 centimeter of velvet from another shop. Find the total length of cloth bought by him. Find the total length of cloth bought by him. So the keyword used here is total. Find the total length. So total length means he bought from one shop 25 meter 45 centimeter of silk, and from another shop 36 meter 75 centimeter of velvet. So find the total length. That means you have to do addition. So now we can start our answer. So silk cloth bought is equals to 25 meter 45 centimeter, and velvet bought 36 meter 75 centimeter. Velvet bought 36 meter 75 centimeter. Whenever you write the numbers, check twice what you have written, that is same or not, because sometimes whenever you write the question and write the answer, if the whole operation is correct, but also we have to cut the marks because you are writing the wrong numbers. Okay, so whenever you place the numbers, do check twice. Okay, so 25 meter 45 centimeter and 36 meter 75 centimeter. Now we have to add. So we know that how to add. So after addition I have got 62 meter 20 centimeter. So the total length is 62. So therefore 62 meter 20 centimeter length of cloth bought by him. This is our final answer. Now let's start our fourth question. Mala jogs 5 km 650 meter in the morning and 7 km 50 meter in the evening. How much more does she jog in the evening? How much more does she jog in the evening? Much more, that means we have to subtract. Because you can check my videos to know the keyword of subtraction, which I have taught you. So here, first of all, when it's a subtraction, you need to write the bigger number first. So what is the bigger one? See, first 7 km 50 meter greater than 5 km 650 meter. As 7 km 50 meter is greater than 5 km 650 meter. So 7 km 50 meter distance covered in evening. So distance covered in the evening equals to 7 km 50 meter, and distance covered in the morning 5 km 50 meter. Now we have to arrange the numbers in proper columns and we have to subtract. So after subtraction I have got 1 km 40 centimeter. 1 kilometer 40 centimeter. I have not shown here the borrowing, but you can solve it. So the answer is, the difference is 1 kilometer 40 centimeter. Therefore she jogged more 1 kilometer 400 meter in the evening. She jogged more 1 kilometer 400 meter in the evening. So already I have completed my part. So now it's your turn. It's your practice time. Before starting practice time, I want to mention 2 or 3 things that in this kind of word problem, first of all, you need to write the proper statement. You have to show the calculation properly. Means you have to arrange the units in proper columns. You have to arrange the numbers in proper places. Then you have to add or subtract according to the question. And one more thing, that whenever you are writing the final answer, you have to write the final answer. Whenever you are writing the final answer, you have to mention the proper unit in the final answer also. Okay, so these are the things you have to maintain for this kind of word problem. Now it's practice time, so we have to practice it what we have learned. So let's read the question. You have to answer it in my comment section. First, 6 number question. Maya used 1 meter 50 centimeter of red ribbon and 4 meter 28 centimeter of blue ribbon to make a flower. How much ribbon did she use in all? How much ribbon did she use in all? This is our 6 number question. And the 7 number question is, a frog jumps 2 meter 28 centimeter and the other frog jumps 48 centimeter less than the first frog. What distance did the second frog jump? So you have to answer it.